got a good old Lennox system here, sitting next to one of my favorite manufacturers. And they've slipped a little bit the last few years, but the Trane is definitely the way to go if you're going to get your system replaced, in my opinion, if you have the money. This is a Lennox. They've slipped a lot in the last 10 years. But the reason I'm here is got a homeowner, bought a house, went from gas heating to heat pump heating, and on a few occasions I've seen the outdoor unit smoking and the fan motor seized and not running. So I've got the compressor disconnected from the contactor right there. Just got it jumped out, running the fan by itself. Been running for 35-40 minutes now. While I check some things on the other unit. Motor's running fine. It's well below the full load amps in the system. Been checking the temperature of the motor periodically. Not getting hot, no oil, no loose bearings. So yeah, it's just a homeowner that doesn't understand defrost cycles. So for you homeowners out there, when you buy a house with a heat pump on it, it's got a defrost control system in it. It heats the same way it cools. It just transfers heat from outside to inside instead of from inside out. When it goes into defrost cycle, it switches into cooling, turns off that fan, absorbs heat from the evaporator coil, from the air in the house, transfers it out here, warms up this coil. It's got a temperature switch on it. Gets above a certain point, it terminates the cycle. It will switch back to heating, and the fan will come back on. It does that to keep this outdoor unit from frosting or freezing up in colder, damp weather especially. So if you see steam coming out of your unit and the fan not running, it is a defrost cycle. If it's smoke, you'll smell it. If you don't smell it, it's steam. Don't be alarmed. Have it checked if you want, not a problem. Just understand that's how they operate in colder weather.